Hey guys, it's Austin here with OutJeeping. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install 5x7 LED headlights in your Jeep Cherokee. The ones we're going to be installing today are by AuxBeam. So, let's get started. Alright, so once again, the LED lights we're going to be installing today are by AuxBeam, and I'll put a link in the description below on where you can find these exact ones. But basically, they are 5x7, and these ones are actually the black housing, and I prefer these ones better than the chrome ones. They look kind of better if you're going for a blacked out look. But they've got your standard H4 connector on the back, and they actually don't have any driving lights inside of these ones, but I've heard good reviews on these already about how the light pattern is, so we'll take a look at this when we get it installed. But for right now, we're going to take the old ones out and then we'll pop these into place. Alright, so we're going to be replacing headlights on a 84 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ, and we're actually going to be doing it on the 97 to 01, which has these style headlight bezels. But it's pretty much going to be similar on the older ones, except it's going to have a little bit different style, but they're still going to be screwed in pretty much the same and easily accessible. So to start off, we got two Phillips screws up here, and I'm just going to pop those out real quick. Truck came out.
Well, I did switch.
Alright, so next we got a retainer ring that goes around the entire headlight, and there should be two Phillips on the top and two Phillips on the bottom. And depending how old your Jeep is and if it's rusty, these might be a little bit of pain in the butt. They could easily strip, so be very cautious.
You had to go to jail. I'm in jail. I can't work here.
Alright, so then we can take the headlight out, and then it's just got a connector in the back. And then all we got to do is pull it out, just like that. Alright, so before I plug in our new light, I'm going to take a little bit of dielectric grease and just put it on the terminals. Probably just a thin coat on here. And this just helps keep all the water out, that way you don't have any corrosion. Then we can plug it in and then feed our wires kind of in the back, since there is a little bit more slack with this, and then we can set it into place. And take our retainer ring and put all the screws back in. Alright, so once you have all four of those screws tightened down, you can go and test the light and make sure it works. So I'm going to do that right now. And then there's also two more screws. They're actually going to be Torx. There's one over on the left side, and then there's one up above, and those two bolts are how you're going to adjust your headlight if you have to, since these do have a little bit different light output. You can wait till it's dark time. You can also put the bezel back on, and you'll still be able to access these.
I think the left one's fine. I moved them, I swear. I know I loosed them for whatever reason. The right one's retarded. The left one's okay.
Yeah.
There's three on here? What do you mean? Oh, there's a bunch of little ones here. Maybe. Oh, what is this one?
Alright, so once you're done with one side, you can do the other. I'm not going to show that because it's pretty straightforward, and it's going to be pretty much the same thing. Alright, so I went and got both the LED headlights installed, and it does look a lot sharper. I'm going to wait till it's completely dark out, and then we'll see the light pattern. That's my friend there working on his alternator. Alright, so now that we got the lights in and it's dark outside, you can see it has a clear cutoff line against the garage door, and I'm actually going to go and adjust it since it is a little bit high. So all I got to do is take a screwdriver and tilt it down. as always, it is harder to pick up on camera, whether you can see better or not, but guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I want to thank AuxBeam for sending out these headlights. I really do like the pattern that they have on there compared to the truck light knockoffs I actually have on my own Jeep. Though I do like the appearance of the truck light look, but the light output is definitely better on these AuxBeam ones. And I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below on where you can find them. So make sure to like and subscribe to the OutJeeping YouTube channel to help keep these videos coming. And if you have any questions, make sure to post them below and I'll be happy to answer. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.